everyone, it's Taylor. Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. It is yet the start of another new week. Mondays are always just like a nice little reset button. Even if you haven't been making the best choices, it's nice to know that things aren't set in stone and that every day you have the chance to do better. It's really easy in the moment to give into your cravings, but honestly, I never feel as good as I thought I would afterwards. Shocker. So this week, I'm just really trying to up my game and practice a little more self-discipline. I honestly have been struggling with that a little bit, and I'm really just tired of the up and down roller coaster of going in and out of my routine and not making the progress that I want. It's very frustrating, and it honestly just requires that not so fun self-discipline.
Your decisions at the end of the day, you control your life. You're able to navigate whatever you want for yourself, and you know, life is too short. Life is way too short, guys. So don't care what people think and just do whatever makes you happy. Having a journal and writing things down will motivate you to complete, you know, a task for the day or to complete goals that you want to set for yourself.
I've been wanting to get back into listening to podcasts because I feel like I haven't really been prioritizing learning. I've just been really obsessed with watching Desperate Housewives right now. I'm rewatching it for like the third time. It's like my comfort show, but I've been a little overwatching it, so it's fine if I watch it, but I shouldn't let it take up all of my time. Time is so valuable and it flies by so quickly, so I'd rather be using that time to progress and get closer to my goals and yeah, just learn some new things. So I started listening to this new one that I just randomly found. It's called Hot Girl Energy with Kylie Stewart, and I really liked the episode that I listened to. It was super inspiring. So as you guys saw, I just went back to listen to parts of the episode that I wanted to take notes on and remember. Honestly, I'm gonna try to get back into journaling because I know how beneficial it is. I'm just really bad about keeping up with it. I can do it for like a little bit, but then I somehow always stop doing it, and I just wanna keep up with it for a longer period and actually see how beneficial it is. This girl was saying that it really helped her manifest her goals and just like get all of her thoughts out. So yeah, I just need to keep up with it. I also realized how important it is to be frequently editing your vision board because obviously your goals change sometimes. I just make mine on Canva. I actually had made just like a little fall mood board here. It's super cute. I don't know why this photo won't load. It's just like a cute quote, but I do have some new long-term goals that I'm working towards. So I just want to go find some pictures that kind of symbolize those new goals and be able to look at that every day and use it as motivation to work towards it.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
I decided to make some more protein balls. I made them last week and I just really liked having like a quick, healthy, sweet snack on hand. They're actually really simple to make, which was really nice. So I just had another episode of that podcast on while I was making them. I'm aiming for like 5 to 6 days of exercise a week right now. I just feel my best when I'm working out more regularly. I got my much needed workout done. I'm actually on my period right now, so I've kind of been an emotional mess, not gonna lie. So I really needed that. It felt really good, so I'm glad I did that. I'm drinking this root beer Olipop that Arie got me, which is really nice. It has 35 calories and 2 grams of sugar, so it's just like a nice healthy alternative to pop and just like a fun drink to have instead of water. So I really like these, and they have a bunch of other flavors too if you don't like root beer, but I love root beer. This one's my favorite flavor. So I do have to go meet a cat owner for Rover in a little bit, but first I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen. I got some clean dishes to put away here. The dishwasher also has clean dishes. There's just towels towels all over. It's just a mess. So really want to clean this up. I don't like cooking dinner in a messy kitchen. And this is just the reality of what happens when you start cooking at home more. It just gets way messier and you have double the dishes. So
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light started our eyes, we let go of disguise.
we're making some dinner. So Arie picked up some rotisserie chicken earlier. I just shredded all of it. You get so much chicken, it's crazy. But I found this recipe on Pinterest for these like baked chicken tacos and they seemed really easy to make. So we're gonna whip this up quick. All right, I'm kind of winging this part, but I'm just gonna do some cumin and this chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's on the rotisserie chicken.